Hello friends, this is N.K. Sagar, Assistant Professor and working in the prestigious group The Sage Bhopal. In today's session we are going to discuss the right angle and the clearance angle of the single point cutting tool. In the previous session we have discussed the tool signature of the single point cutting tool. So on today's topic, right angle and clearance angle, what type of questions can be framed for asking in the university examinations? The question is, define right angle and clearance angle. Why these angles are provided to the cutting tool? Explain. So let us start. First of all, we will see the definition and functions of the right angle, then types of right angles, positive right angle, negative right angle and zero right angle. Then we will discuss about the types of clearance angle. So what is the definition of the right angle? Yes, the angle between the right surface. What is right surface? That is the top surface connected with the side cutting edge and the end cutting edge. Yes, in the previous session, that is tool signature and the session of tool geometry, we have seen the diagram of the single point cutting tool, and that time I told you the top surface of the cutting part of the single point cutting tool, that top surface is known as right surface. So right surface, the surface that is connected with the side cutting edge and the end cutting edge. So the angle between the right surface and the perpendicular line to the machined surface, this is known as the right angle of the single point cutting tool. Now what are the functions of the right angle? The functions of the right angles are: the right angle permits the flow of chips in the desired direction, means the right angle facilitates the flow of chips in the desired direction. This also improves the surface finish, and this angle minimizes the cutting forces required to cut the metal and helps to increase the tool life. So these are the functions of the right angle. Now, what are the types of the right angle of the single point cutting tool? So there are three types of the right angle of single point cutting tool. The first type is positive right angle. What is positive right angle? If the slope of the face of the tool, if the slope of the face means the right surface, if the slope of the right surface of the tool is set towards the back, is called positive right angle, and this helps to reduce cutting forces required for cutting of metal and also to minimize power requirements. So, this is showing the definition of positive right angle and the importance of the positive right angle, why the positive right angle is provided to the single point cutting tool, because this helps to reduce the cutting forces and required for the cutting metal, and also it minimizes the power requirement. This is the diagram which is showing the positive right angle. There is the positive right angle, this is plus gamma, this is showing the positive right angle. Slope of the tool face is set towards the back, is called positive right angle. Then zero right angle. How zero right angle is defined and why, for which purpose it is provided to the cutting tool. So when the face of the tool has no slope and remains parallel to the upper surface of the same, is called zero right angle. So yes, this is zero right angle, gamma equals to 0. Here the right surface has no any slope and it is parallel to the upper surface of the sand is called zero right angle. Tool with zero right is used for turning of brass materials. So zero right cutting tools are recommended for turning the brass materials. These tools are recommended for machining of very hard materials like brass and other materials. This angle also increases the strength of the tool and prevents the cutting edge from digging into the work. So this is a zero right angle. Yes, next is negative right angle. What is negative right angle? If the slope of the face of the tool goes in upward direction from the cutting edge and towards the back is called negative right angle. Slope of face of the tool goes in the upward direction from the cutting edge and towards the back is called negative right angle. Positive right angle already we have defined, zero angle we have defined. Now this is negative right angle, and this negative right angle is used for turning of metal with cemented carbide tipped tools in the mass production. This is the importance of the negative right angle. This is the negative right angle, denoted by minus sign and gamma letter. After right angle, then clearance angle of the single point cutting tool. What is clearance angle and what are the function of clearance angle and why this angle is provided to the cutting tool? So definition: this is the angle that exists in between of the machined surface and the flange part. There are two flanges, end flange and side flange. This is known as clearance angle. So the clearance angle is the angle between the flange surface, side flange or end flange, and the machined surface of the workpiece. That is known as clearance angle. What is the function of the clearance angle? This angle is provided to avoid rubbing action between machined surface and the flange face of the tool. Yes. So this is the purpose. For which purpose clearance angle is provided? This is provided to prevent the rubbing action between the machined surface and the flange surfaces. And this is tapped as small as possible to avoid weakening of the tool. Yes, if the value of this angle increases, then the weakening of the tool increases. So it is tapped as small as possible. And what are the types of the clearance angles? Side clearance angle and the end clearance angle. Side clearance angle, the angle between machined surface and the side flange. End clearance angle between machined surface and the end flange. So this is the clearance angle, definition, functions and the types. So what we have covered in today's session, the right angle and clearance angle. We have seen the definition of right angle and clearance angle. Then we have seen the types of right angle and clearance angle. Also we have discussed the importance of right angle and clearance angle, for which purpose these angles are provided to the cutting tool, and what are the advantages of these angles given to the single point cutting tool. So thank you very much. All the best.